Hey everybody, this is Dripment. Thank you for joining. This is my first unboxing video, and we are getting down. This is the Maono HD 300T. They sent me the silver version, which is looking nice and mighty fine. This is a USB XLR podcasting dynamic microphone, and they sent it to me so I could check it out, test it, unbox it, and see what's good. We'll open up Ableton here soon, but I just want to unbox it first. Some of the info here I just want to go over. This features clear natural sound. It is a cardioid dynamic microphone, so this is more for podcasting. A condenser microphone is more for recording vocals, but this is a dynamic microphone. Cardioid is the polar pattern. This has a built-in cardioid capsule that can capture sound in front of the microphone and reduces possible background noise from the other side and rear. It's smooth, extended frequency response for rich and natural vocal reproduction. There is a switch button and volume control button on the side. They're easy, they feel good quality. The USB dynamic microphone built-in switch button makes it for convenient control. It also is used to avoid unnecessary noise in your podcast or streaming. The volume control button is flexible for adjusting the volume of the earphone monitor to ensure better audio output. This is only in USB mode. There is a monitor function. The podcast microphone has a built-in 3.5mm headphone jack. This allows real-time monitoring with zero latency. You can hear yourself without any delay or echo. You can adjust the monitor volume for more audio detail via the onboard volume control button of the vocal dynamic microphone. This ensures a clear, smooth, natural audio output. This features USB and regular XLR connections. You can switch between those easily as well. Now, you are provided with the cables for both. You get a USB-C for the USB connection, and then you also have an XLR cable that's provided. XLR is the standard. Now, this has a durable metal construction for better stability. It does have a very nice weight to it. It feels sturdy in the hand. It feels like good quality. It was much better quality than I expected. There's also a heavy round base with the all metal and will not be easily knocked down. The height is adjustable with the metal tube, and it's stronger than ordinary plastic tubes. This supports heavy microphones. A shock mount and a pop filter is included for reducing P pops. Let's go ahead and check out exactly what it sounds like in Ableton. I'm going to plug it in XLR. Let's go. We have some tests that I did here with both of the microphones, a regular MV7 and this Maono microphone. We'll go ahead and check it out. I did record some regular intro stuff, some harmony stuff, and just some quick tests. Let's go ahead and check it out here. First, check out the tests. This is my MV7, and we'll listen to that first. This is a more expensive microphone, about $250. This microphone has a flat response. You can hear more lows. It has more bass, and it's cleaner. Test, 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 testing. Hello, hello. And we can listen to the other one. Test, 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 testing. Test, 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 test. Again. Test, 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 test. Test, test, test. As you hear, this has a little bit more low end. Test, test. Or this. Test, test. But it's a very subtle difference. The quality of this microphone is actually really high for it only being $60. I did record some intro stuff here. We can listen to that now. Welcome, 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 welcome. Introducing the one and only. Let's go. So that's with the MV7, and then if we use the other microphone, you can see it's pretty similar. Welcome, 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 welcome. Introducing. A new type. Let's go. So as you see, nice quality. You're able to pick up a lot of signal. It doesn't have as much low end and low frequencies, but still sounds really good. So here we start to record some harmonies. I'm kind of like saying the same phrase as the original vocal. Listen here. This is with the MV7. On you. So it blends in well. Here's the other microphone. That's pretty dope. These racks, these vocal racks right here, they'll be in my Patreon if you guys want to download these. These are really nice. Get everything nice and clean and loud and ready to go as soon as you plug in a microphone. This is the mic that I'm using here. If you guys want, it will be in the description. You guys can check it out, buy it if you want. It's very cheap, easy to use. You recommend it. Not too shabby for being a affordable microphone. In the Patreon, you can download all these vocal racks and get your vocals started. Remember, you can do regular vocals, harmony vocals. Just do some cool stuff like voiceovers. Otherwise, you guys stay fresh. Have a good day.